Dear Tim and Moby, what are hormones and what body system do they belong to? From QT Pie. No, Moby, this isn't the puberty movie all over again. Puberty is just one of the things controlled by hormones from the endocrine system. Ever wonder how your body stays around the same temperature or why you fall asleep and wake up automatically? The endocrine system is in charge of making sure that your body's many functions are coordinated. It's made up of groupings of cells called glands. There are 8 major endocrine glands: the pituitary gland, the thyroid gland, the adrenal glands, the pineal gland, the pancreas, the thymus, the parathyroids, the ovaries in women, and the testes in men. These glands make more than 30 types of hormones, each with their own special job. Hormones are responsible for regulating your metabolism, mood, growth, and organ function. A part of your brain called the hypothalamus is critical to your endocrine system. It monitors your body and sends the information to your pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is attached to the hypothalamus, and it's like the king of the endocrine system. It sends out its own chemical messages and rules the actions of most of the other major endocrine glands. Well, each gland has a different job. The thyroid releases hormones that control how fast your body's cells burn energy. That's important because it affects how other parts of you grow and develop. The parathyroid glands keep the level of calcium in your blood at a certain level. If, say, your blood has too much or too little calcium, your nerves and muscles don't work right. The adrenal glands regulate your response to stress. Right, they release the hormone adrenaline in dangerous or exciting situations. Gives you a quick burst of strength and speed. The adrenal glands are also involved with your body's regulation of salt and its sexual development during puberty. The function of the pineal gland isn't fully understood yet. All we know is it secretes a hormone called melatonin that's thought to influence our sleep cycle, metabolism, and sexual development. The pancreas secretes the hormone insulin, which regulates your blood sugar. You've probably heard of type 1 diabetes. That happens when the pancreas can't produce enough insulin to control your blood sugar. The thymus helps your body fight off infections. It's a key player in the production of T cells, which identify and kill germs in your blood. Almost done, buddy. Hang in there. Finally, there are the ovaries in women and the testes in men. These glands produce hormones that help us reach maturity, fight infections, stay energetic, and more. They also produce the sex cells for reproduction. Well, no matter what gland produces them, hormones all work in the same basic way. On one side, we've got the glands and cells that produce hormones. And on the other side, we've got cells and tissues that respond to the hormones. When glands secrete hormones into the bloodstream, the hormones travel to a target cell or target tissue. When the target's receptors get their chemical message, they go to work carrying out their function. Every cell in your body has receptors for particular hormones. Well, the endocrine system works in cycles. It produces hormones, and the hormones do their job, causing many different things to happen in many different types of cells. Think about how you suddenly start growing in your teen years. When it's time for a growth spurt, the pituitary gland sends out a growth hormone that tells your cells it's time to grow up, start dividing. Your adrenal glands and sexual glands also contribute. When your body is finished growing, your cells will produce chemicals that stop those growth hormones from being released. That's why you stop growing. This is called negative feedback, and it's how most hormone production is regulated. When a job's done, negative feedback occurs, and the hormone production stops until it's time for the whole process to start over again. Don't be so literal.